Hello friends, let's learn division trick. How to solve this type of questions using the trick in just 10 seconds. 3198 upon 26. What is? So, in bottom 26, 3198. 26 ones are 36. So, first digit of answer 1. 31 minus 26 is equal to 5. So, we put 5 and second letter 9. So, 26 2s are 52. So, second letter is 2. 59 minus 52 is equal to 7. Then last digit is 8. So, 26 into 3 is equal to 78. So, last digit of answer 3. Answer is 1, 2, 3. 49654 upon 5. What is? Bottom 5. Then 5 nines are 45. Right? So, first digit is 9. 49 minus 45 is equal to 4. Second digit is 6. So, 5 nines are 45. So, second letter is 9. 1. Second letter is 5. So, 5 cross 3 is equal to 15. So, third digit is 3. So, 15 minus 0. Last digit is 4. So, we put point and 40. 5 8s are 40. So, 8 is last digit of answer. Answer is 993.8. If you learn something, then like, share and subscribe.